Hi, this is John, and in this clip we'll be talking about sawhorses. Pretty much everyone has needed sawhorses at one point or another in a project they're working on. Here we have a few different examples of sawhorses. Now, sawhorses are relatively cheap and easy to build, and they can typically hold a very substantial amount of weight. Now, depending on the size of your project, it will determine the size of sawhorse you need. Here we have about a 3-foot sawhorse, and it's just made out of some 2x4s and some scrap lumber for the top that we had lying around. Now, this pair of sawhorses do stack somewhat, and if you take a look at the top of it, you'll notice that we did use a 2x6 rather than a 2x4. This is going to give us a little bit more surface area. Additionally, on this sawhorse, we have added a shelf where you could potentially hold tools or maybe some pieces of stock that you're working on. Our next set of sawhorses are quite a bit larger. However, they do stack down a little bit better than our last pair. Now, with most all types of sawhorses, you can just go online and download some simple plans and build a pair for yourself. And lastly, we have our poor man's sawhorses, which basically just consist of some 5-gallon buckets. You can lay your lumber across the top and make some cuts. Now, these aren't as safe as some of our other ones, but they do prove to be very handy and very useful.